the Lexicon Lab podcast. Hosts, Julian and Marcus. Episode, Upgrade Your English, 10 Natural Alternatives to Very Good. Hot Beverage Part 1, the very good overuse and why it needs an upgrade. Julian, welcome back to the Lexicon Lab podcast, your ultimate studio for breaking down English vocabulary, upgrading your casual speech, and sounding more like a native speaker every day. I'm Julian.
Marcus, and I'm Marcus. Good to be back with you all. Julian, let me pitch a scenario to you. You just ate an incredible meal at a restaurant, or your friend showed you a masterpiece they painted. What word pops into your head first?
Honestly, if I'm on autopilot, my brain immediately reaches for, oh, that's very good.
Exactly. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with very good. It's grammatically correct, simple, and clear. But the problem is, it gets boring very fast when you use it for everything.
You're so right, Marcus. Native speakers rarely rely on very good all day long. English is packed with rich, colorful adjectives that describe how or why something is good with much more accuracy.
Today, we are benching very good and putting 10 high-impact alternative words onto the field. Let's break them down into practical categories. Hammer and Wrench Part 2, the 10 alternatives, categorized for easy use, clipboard vocabulary upgrade, everyday praise high energy/skill food and experiences.
Let's start with words you can drop into daily small talk. Instead of saying that's very good, try 1. Spot on, perfect for when an answer or accuracy is 100% correct. E.g., your pronunciation in that sentence was spot on. 2. Impressive, great when something genuinely earns your respect or admiration. E.g., your English progress over the last month is really impressive. 3. Solid, used for steady, reliable, or high-quality work. E.g., he gave a solid presentation at work today.
Marcus, now, what if someone does something truly exceptional? Very good just doesn't do it justice. Use these power words instead. 4. Phenomenal, far beyond average, absolutely outstanding. E.g., the team did a phenomenal job on this project. 5. Exceptional, meaning rare and well above standard quality. E.g., she has an exceptional talent for storytelling. 6. Top-notch, super casual and widely used in daily conversations for high quality. E.g., their customer service is top-notch. 7. Stellar, literally means like a star, bright and brilliant. E.g., you gave a stellar performance today.
Food, art and experiences. Julian, and lastly, when you are describing things you taste, watch, or experience. 8. Exceptional/superb. Superb means extremely impressive or fine quality. E.g., the hotel service was absolutely superb. 9. Mouth-watering, perfect when replacing very good for food. E.g., that pasta dish looks mouth-watering. 10. Mind-blowing, use this when something shocks you because it's so amazingly good. E.g., the plot twist in that movie was mind-blowing.
Part 3, Language Hack, ditching very for strong adjectives. Marcus, hey, Julian, there's an important vocabulary rule hiding behind all these words, isn't there?
Absolutely. In English grammar, words like phenomenal, superb, or mind-blowing are called extreme adjectives, or strong adjectives.
That means they already have the meaning of a very built inside them. So, you should never say a very superb or very phenomenal.
Right. If you want to add extra emphasis to these strong words, swap very for absolutely or truly. For example, that meal was absolutely superb. It sounds instantly natural and refined.
Conclusion and the community challenge. Marcus, that is a game-changing tip right there. Small tweaks like that elevate your fluency so quickly.
Well, that wraps up today's lab session on upgrading your vocabulary beyond very good.
Before we sign off, here is your challenge in the comments section below. Pick one of the 10 new words we covered today, and write a sentence using it to complement something in your life.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave us a thumbs up, and share this episode with your fellow language learners.
Marcus, keep experimenting with new words, keep leveling up, and stay curious.
Julian, catch you in the next episode. Bye-bye, guys.